This is Android developer from Game App Studio, and today we are going to put a spotlight on how to use multi-views in Recycler View using Android Studio. Now creates new layout files for using in Recycler View adapter. We used 3 types of layout in Recycler View. In this layout I used an images view for showing the main image and text view for show the heading and 2 other views which shows for likes and comments. In second layout I used a text view for showing the heading text, another text view for showing the description, and used other 2 text views which shows the likes and comments. Now I create a Recycler View adapter class. Now extends Recycler View adapter class, and press the Alt, Enter and implements all the 3 method. Also override the getItemViewType method. Now create model class used in RecyclerViewAdapter class. And I creates a integer type variable also creates constructor, getter and setter method. Now write a switch statement and getItemViewType method for returning the view type to viewholder method. Now I create 3 public static final integer variables to find the view types. Now I write switch statement in on create viewholder method which returning the viewholder class. Now I create viewholder class. Different viewholder classes is used for different views. I create 3 viewholder classes. Now add RecyclerView class to activity layout file. Take a unique it to RecyclerView and I also set the linear layout manger in XML. Now find the RecyclerView id and set adapter to RecyclerView. Also add some data to list which is used in adapter. Also return list size inside get item count method. Here we inflate the layout file to specific view holder class. Now I run the project in external device. Thanks for watching us. Stay tuned, and please like and subscribe to Game App Studio and never miss any updates.